So here, guys, we want to start our laundry process. We take all our rags during the day that we have, and we throw it in this bin here, ready for laundry cycle. So we have Nick here showing us how he does it. So the temperature is going to be on hot. He changes the setting to what was it, heavy?
Yes.
And then he's going to load all of the towels from here and there. And here. Now we have our detergent here for our place to wash it. We got our bleach because we are washing white towels. And she blows. Yeah. So we have finished washing them in the washing machine. Now we're gonna just throw them in the dryer. You always want to check here. So get some of these stuff off right here. Nice clean filter. 60 minutes on high dry. And let it dry. Lastly, for our step is to fold them. Fold them any way you like, but it's just for us to get them ready for our stations. And then that'll be it.